Good morning, my friends. Today playtime is for a short while over. I need to work now for a change. We dropped this heater of ours, and there's two loose screws. One, this is the one, and the other one is inside somewhere, and I can't see outside anywhere where a screw is short. So I need to open it, and I didn't test it if it works. Well, it works, but after the drop, I didn't test it. So I'm going to strip it, and then we see where the screws come from and test it. And clean it up nicely again. Okay, I'll bring you back when it's open. Okay, I've got it open, gentlemen. And I found the inside part was that nut. And this is the little screw, and inside you can see it is a ground wire. It is the ground wire that came loose. So maybe it was meant to fall so that I can fix it, because obviously that screw was loose. So the ground didn't do its work. Okay, let me fix and clean it. Okay, before I put it back together, let's test it. Okay, I'll bring you back when it's red. Okay guys, there's more problems. It doesn't get hot. So let me investigate. Okay guys, I found the problem, and it is an obvious one. I put it on while it was lying on its back, and it got a safety weight here. So when it fell over, it will not make contact. You can see there is a switch on top. So I'm going to test it now in the upright position. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's working, gentlemen. It's getting red hot now, so I'm going to put it back together. Okay, as you can see, we've got nice soft rain. That's why I'm working inside. Projects, you will not see me outside. I was planning in starting the old farmwall today. It's now a long time since it sits there. Okay, and it's fixed up. Okay guys, and I've got a repair job to do on this little model of a DC3. So the guys that don't like models or not interested in it can log off now. So I'm going to repair it, put the undercarriage back, and try to make some propellers for it. It's an old model that I built a couple of years ago, many years ago. Okay, thanks for watching guys. The rest can look if you want to. Okay, both wheels is on, but I want to put some stabilizers in here and to the other side. I see there was at a point. So guys, what I've got here is a Chinese stick, but it's oval of shape. So I split it in half, Let me do it off camera before I cut myself. Okay, there's the start of the propellers. Okay, it's time for painting, gentlemen. Okay guys, it's by no means a professional job or anything like that, but at least it stands on its wheels again and got a pair of propellers. So it's better than nothing, but at least it's repaired again. Okay gents, I appreciate you guys that watched through the whole video. And I'll see you on the next one. I've got an interesting project coming up. Okay guys, see you on the next one. Bye.